Morning guys, dito kami ngayon sa Marikina sa bahay ng kapatid ni tatay, and I'm with Kuya Ellis. Maglalakad kami, papakita ko sa kanya yung Marikina River kasi hindi niya pa nakikita.
Like we were at Winnipeg, like we see the river.
Yeah, so kung napanood yung ibang video namin, naglakad kami sa Selkirk sa may river doon nung frozen pa. So ngayon maglalakad kami sa river dito kaso hindi po frozen eh. Right kuya?
Yeah.
Oh look, kalapate oh.
A duck.
Hindi yan duck, that's a dove. That's a kalapate.
Hello.
Ayun na, ayun na. Ah, dito may bahay yata sila. Oh look at the cat. Look at the cat.
How they cannot go outside?
Ganun talaga, nilalak nila yung mga pusa.
Why?
I don't know.
They're collect?
Yeah, they collect like you.
No.
That's joking. Taho, wala tayong dalang pera. Sayang, wala akong dalang pera. Actually, let's go back. Let's go get some money and buy taho. Gusto eh. 10 pesos po kuya. Apat po.
Magkano?
Tigsa 10 po.
Smells like muffin.
Ilang taon na po kayo nagtataho?
13 years.
13 years. Wow. Magkano po puhunan pa ganyan kuya?
500.
Isang ganito po.
Malit lang naman lahat ako.
Oh, 500. Ilang oras niyo po naubos yan?
Mga 4.5 hours. Pero kung minsan, hindi ubos. Basta, ubos man o hindi. Basta yung oras ng uwi ko na talaga.
Ah, try it. Magkano po yan pag naubos nyo?
Meron lang kahit mga 800 yan.
Ah, 800 ang pinakatubo. Oh,
Pag
okay.
naubos, kung pag di naubos, may kita pa rin pero hindi ganun kalaki yan. Kasi ako pa bumibili ng ulam sa amin. Kaya obligado umuwi ako ng ganung oras.
Aha.
Ubos man o hindi.
Aha. Thank you.
Salamat.
Cheers. Sarap.
The tofu? Tofu,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
It's a little
tofu.
bitter.
Can I see Daddy?
I can't taste the juice.
The sweetness yet. Sarap kaya.
Smells like muffin like the whole.
Dati lagi din kami dito kala Auntie Paning eh, nung maliit pa kami. Guys, sabi ko nga, nung maliit kami, mga Elijah's age, lagi din kami nandito sa bahay ni Auntie Paning. And etong area na to, hindi pa siya ganyan dati eh. Ano lang yan, open lang yan. Pinataasan nila para hindi nagpa-flood dito. So,
Tatay, wag magpapad dito.
oh yeah, all the time. When it rains, it always floods. Mga basura, dami. Madaming nakapark. Hindi namin makita yung river kasi dati ito, wala to eh. Ito nakaharang na to. I don't know kung saan pwedeng pumasok kaso mahaba pang lakarin bago makapunta dun sa kabilang side. I don't know kung meron pang other side. Baka wala ng other side. So, we'll just go back
Like you have to like
and
take
eat breakfast. Yes po. You like lugaw?
Filipino kids here are so much more mature than the ones in Canada.
Why do you say that?
When they're like super young, they're already like taking care of their siblings,
Oh yeah?
and they don't complain.
They don't?
They
True.
wouldn't.
Yeah.
Who would want to?
Yeah. So that's why you think they're all mature here? Ganun talaga. Actually, ganun din ang ano ko eh. Mas matured yung mga tao dito kaysa sa Canada. Kasi we all getting pampered doon sa Canada.
What do you mean?
Like, we were getting babied, you know? Good job kay Elijah for noticing that. I like that. I really like that. Kasi alam niya na we're blessed to be in Canada. Kasi here in the Philippines, mahirap ang buhay dito. Sa Canada, we eat 3 times a day, sometimes 4 times a day, right? Dito, sometimes they only eat twice a day. Minsan, once a day. Kids here, they don't have their own iPods,
No, I
right?
don't need one.
Right? So, good job Kuya Elijah for noticing that.
And the people here, whenever they see a car, they're not scared.
Yeah, it's free for all.
Then the cars are so extra careful. They just don't look like it.
Yeah,
The kids too, they're also extra careful.
yeah. We almost got lost, but we found our way back home, baby. We had a memory gap. Ang daming bata, oh. Say hi. Yeah. Ha? Marlo Merilles. Ang dami nila. Shout out! Oh, naligo ka na! Wow! Ba't yung amo mo hindi pa naliligo? Sabi nila, vloggers! Vloggers! Shout her out!
Hello, Mama. Hey, say good morning to us. Good morning.
Mr. Korea, baby! Let's go! Sanjik-san!
What's that, Kuya?
Kuya Elijah's getting a haircut in the Philippines. Ito yung haircut mo. Ooh, shit. Let me see, how's it? Good? You like
I
it?
look flat in the camera.
I know.
The world shall know swag. Just kidding.
Good?
I
You
got
like
that.
it?
Yes. I got that from
Yeah, let's
King
fix next.
Chris, I think. I'm not sure.
Huh?
From King Chris. I'm not sure. I forgot the channel's name.
Ano, yung lalaki?
The dude.
The Filipino dude?
No, I'm not sure. The world shall know
Si
swag.
Ellis next,
No
right?
copyright, please.